In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can embed a Vimeo video on your Wix website. So this is a very simple thing to do. Once we are on our Wix dashboard, we need to go to the left hand side bar here, scroll down until you see site and mobile app, go to website and SEO, and then select website. Now once you do this, you will then be able to click on edit site in the top right hand corner. And then once we click on that, you will then be redirected over to this page. And what we want to do is we want to go to the top left hand corner, click on add elements, and then once we select this, you want to go down, select video and music, and then you want to go over and then select Vimeo. Once we do this, it will then add the video player to your website. You can move this around, you can resize this. Once you are happy, you can then click on change video. And then once we click on change video, you can add the video URL in this box right here, or you can go ahead and search videos from Vimeo in the search bar. So once you search for the video from Vimeo, you can click on the one that you want, click on add, and then as you can see, that video will then be added to your website. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can embed a Vimeo video on your Wix.com website.